Welcome to beautiful downtown Fort Lauderdale. Here we are at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, checking out the latest from BERTRAM Yachts, the BERTRAM 28 center console. Let's go step aboard and check it out. As you step aboard this incredible vessel, the thing that stands out the most is the beam of this boat. Totally spacious in here at 28 feet. There's a ton of room whether you're ready to fish it or spend the day on the water with the family. So what you notice about the performance of this boat, it's tricked out with twin Mercury 300s. It's going to push this vessel at the mid-50s and it's going to cruise in the 40s. Great performance, and it has a fuel capacity of 200 gallons. Also located in the back, we have this beautiful live well that's glass top, and then we have easy access onto this vessel with a dive door right here, full size with a grab handle, so it's easy to bring that big tuna on board or the little kids. So when you're ready to fish this bad boy, you got a flip up, flip down seat to give you more space. And after you've caught that beautiful fish, you can rotate over here to the leaning post area, and we have a beautiful grill and fresh water back here as well. As we move up to the helm here, what you're going to notice is clear visibility. You have a windshield wiper for bad weather, and of course you have narrow pipes to increase your visibility. When we look up here at the dash, we have twin Garmin array, we have redundant switching up here, and then you have your Mercury power control, and you also comes equipped with the Mercury skyhook, so you can ease it out and into the dock very easily. Very comfortable seating for the captain and the first mate, detailed stitching everywhere, and of course articulating armrests and flip up, flip down bolster seats. As we step up to the helm here, you're going to notice a beautifully appointed helm, full padding up here, and that beam shows its teeth up here nice and wide. You can fill in with a table. It's right in here, the head, just put it up there, have a nice little dinette set going. But the beautiful trick about this boat is right underneath this forward seat. Let's go take a look. If you've ever been on a smaller center console, you're going to know the head is always a problem. But check this out. BERTRAM does a fantastic job with a forward-facing head entrance here with a spacious head, tall enough for me at 6'1" and beyond. What you're going to notice about this beautiful vessel, oversized head up here. This canopy is incredible. There's rod holders wherever you look, grab rails for safety, and a rocket launcher on the back. Well done, BERTRAM. What do you think of that beautiful 28 center console from BERTRAM? An absolute stunner. If you're looking for more boats and yachts, the boat show is the place to be.